10. Which of the following best describes the process of synthesizing in the context of 21st century literacy skills? A. Memorizing facts from multiple sources. B. Combining information from various sources to create a new understanding or perspective. C. Listing all the sources used in a project. D. Summarizing information without forming new ideas. So the following best describes the main goal of literacy skills. The correct answer is letter B. Getting meaning out of the reading material. Number 2, what is making connections primarily used for? Letter B, enhancing reading comprehension. 2 points. Number 6, letter C or D?
Yay!
C or D? Kasi dapat nakikita niyo yung
Ano naman wala ka ng boses siya?
para ma-remember. Kasi remember that we're doing this to help review. The process of synthesizing in the context of 21st century, syempre yung letter B. Count up the number of correct answers. Nakanay. Gonzales. Palosa.
Malapit.
Baka Chego Doris. Wow. Kempi.
Wala pa ako.
20. Kempi.
Ayun po yung tagapalakpak ko.
Lago.
RG tagapalakpak ko.
Luna. Nina.